Good morning, friends. It's another day, another week, and it's another episode where I respond to all of your comments on YouTube. But before we start, some updates. We got 6,000 plus followers, subscribers so far on YouTube. So I really want to thank you guys for doing it. It's a crazy amount of growth that I'm experiencing, and I hope you guys continue to spread the word, subscribe, and like my videos. It will really help me out. Let's hope for 10,000 subscribers soon, I hope. In other news, in Discord, I added a bot. So I created these bots that will display the price of time, Jewel, ETH, and Bitcoin. They will be updated every minute, so you don't have to go check the prices elsewhere. You can just click on this button here to show you the prices. All right, so be sure to head over to the Discord and to see this. People in Discord are loving this feature, so I plan to add a lot more features to this thing to help you guys out. And as always, there's this time whale alert room where you can see all the prices. We got some crazy drop overnight, but it seems like this bot caught all of these sales by all the whales. So it's very useful for you guys. And I am going to pick someone from the comments to get access to this thing right here. All right, so I want to pick this comment. So the YouTube video that I mentioned I'll pick is this one, the one about seafood. So I will pick a winner. Let's go now. So I'll get all the YouTube comments from that video, and then I'm gonna pick a winner. And it looks like, by the way, MMA wins. His comments was happy holidays. Well, sir, I will reach out to you in the comments. Just let me know your Discord name and I will give you access to this channel for 7 days for free. All right, let's get to the core of this video. I am going to go through all of your comments, but only a few. But I will respond to all of them, and eventually I'll go through every comment, do this weekly response video. All right, so I got a lot of responses so far. So let's get started. All right. I guess I want access to the thing. Well, you will have to get picked by this randomizer to win. So continue to comment, continue to like and subscribe, and you'll be able to get access one day. Thanks for the insight. Thank you. So this is about Danny is bullish. It's profitable for early investor to have low price and high APR in the long term. You get more accumulation until the price climbs. After price gets high and with huge market cap, APR is going to fall dramatically. Think of it as airdrop period in the beginning. I guess you can think about it that way. Like the price of time and the APR is not gonna stay the way it is. It will eventually drop. Even though just yesterday our APY went from 70,000% back up to 90,000. So it can go up as well. I see Du Kwang and Danielle always tweeting back and forth. Is there a partnership that we don't know about? I know there's been some UST Luna pools with Magic Internet money. Any thoughts on this? So Du Kwang is the founder of Terra Luna, and I think if they are good friends, there's a high chance that they will collaborate and create products or projects together. So let's keep an eye out on that, and maybe we'll see some new pools. I need the price to go up. I'm over invested by a lot. Is this what is meant by I need the price to go up? Yeah, I mean, we want the price to go up. ETH gaming has no future. The future is on other chains. Nobody's gonna stick around with these gas fees. That is correct. A lot of gas. Yeah, this is about my DeFi kingdoms. You can't really pay for anything in ETH because the gas fee is hundreds of dollars. So it doesn't make sense to play a game on Ethereum because the cost of the fee is gonna eat up all your profits. Damn, the genius. Time back at 3.6k. Well, that's 5 days ago. Time is actually back up at 4.4k right now. So yeah. It's actually went back up after the sweep. Yo, the Treasury is used to generate yields on other platforms. Do your research, mate, before asking people for money. Am I? Well, I did made this video a long time ago, but I did found their wallets. And yeah, they are actually using the wallets on other platforms to get yields for us. Hey, you look good. Did you have a haircut? Well, I don't know if you can tell from this anime face, but my hair has always been this way. Thank you for keeping us informed. I believe in time and the long haul. Me too. Totally look forward to seeing your new video on Time Wonderland. Thanks for the effort and constant updates. Really appreciate it. Thank you for the warm comments. What is the logo with the wand? Whoa, that's an imposter. That's not me. All right, you guys see this? Somebody got a fake profile of me, and that's not me. This is a fake name. And something about WhatsApp. I gotta delete this. This is a spam. Guys, don't respond to this. Logo with the one. That's, I think you're talking about this one, right? No, spell. The one in between his legs. Yeah, that's a spell token. This is why Magic Internet is for the win. So Magic Internet Money is a stable coin that's backed by income generating assets. Great content as always, very informative. Yeah, I suggest you guys check out the US government report on stablecoin video. I went over what they're actually doing and what they know about DeFi. Turns out they know a lot about DeFi. Time almost 4K rising. Heck yeah. What about birthday video? I'm actually not a Capricorn. I'm a Sagittarius. But yeah, happy birthday. To the moon, leverage baby. We go to 4, 5, or 6K. Yeah, I hope so. Awesome video. Keep them coming. Frog Nation, thank you. Oh, thank you for your support. Thank you, sir. I'm even gonna like my own. Yeah, I like my own tweets sometimes. Love the video. Thank you. Yes, to the moon. Oh, that's a long comment. Do you realize time was over 8,000 last month, right? Yes, perspectives. Like if you got in last month, sure, you're down a little bit, but your rebate should be bringing your average cost down all the way to like 5,000 or 4,000. But if you got in like at 2.8 thousand, you're making money, sir. Timecode is happy that the project dumped over 50%. It's finally going out after the DAO got wrecked by the same way that they did. Now the paper hands are fleeting back to time. Can't wait for a week. Yeah, that's kind of what's happening. If it gets dumped at all-time high, everyone should make a lot of money. So what's the point? And what goes up fast goes down. The rule applies to everything, even Bitcoin and Ethereum. The price needs to go down in order to rise healthily. The rebate system works. That's why even 50% drop wouldn't worry any time holder. Time Treasury is producing great revenue, and that's why they're next to and most stable DAO. They're the most stable DAO project. If everyone panics because of whale dump, it's their problem. If you hope long term, you must be stupid to lose money in time, but most people want to get rich in 2 weeks. That's the other thing. It's in the name, right? It's called time for a reason. You need to be in it for a while for rebates to catch up, and once your rebates surpass your average cost, it's all profits from there. Yeah, don't be mad. If you don't have patience, you can't win in this game. Nice. Always check your video. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Someone just unstake all my time. I don't know what to do. Can somebody help me? Please? I lost everything. Yeah, please be careful of these fake websites out there. When you give approval to any wallets, any sites, make sure you check the website URL to make sure they are legit. So if you do get scammed, I'm sorry, but please be careful. It's happening all the time. Elon, I'm not Elon. America is all about speed. Hot, nasty, badass speed. I don't know if that's a real quote. I bought it on 8.5, still a long way to go. Stay strong, I bought it on 9.2. Damn, well, you guys, like, I hope the rebates are helping you guys out a little bit. Yeah, I took 50% loss on Jade, but I'm glad I got out before it falls even more. Yeah, Jade, it's crashing to zero. I'm guessing time got some from Ohm as drop plus V2 chains with double whammy. Yeah, we get some people like who are in those sketchy Ohm forks, they are coming back to time. Moon, baby. We are the Diamond Hand Apes. I spy with my little eye. Hex. Yeah, I think in my status video, there's a price bot that's telling you Hex's price. So yeah, Hex is going up. Hopefully all the Hexicans are doing well. It wasn't a red pill. Yeah, it wasn't, definitely. When it goes up, it's that kind of pill. Also, so where's all the money from Midas, GG, ICE, and all the other DAOs that got wrecked this week went? Well, most likely to all the founders of these scammy projects, they took your money. So if you got some money in there, you better take them out. Otherwise, they're just going to get wrecked and taken by all these founders. So put them in good projects. That's my advice. After yesterday's AMA, my confidence is extremely high. Do I think this will go to my Lambo coin? Kind of doubt it, but I felt like it will do well. The calculator on Wonderland assumed rebase rate and APY are fixed throughout. True. It's that APY varies, and so does my reward. Long and short, the calculator doesn't match the spreadsheet. It doesn't have the 16-day. Maybe because I have DCA all the way down. I finally have rebounded to my total investment, with just 700 in price action back up. My numbers are moving up quickly. All in all, I'm happy. Yes, if you hold it for a long time. I do believe this investment will pay off extremely well over time. The protocol is working, but the numbers may be a little off. The seafood proposals are very exciting. I will keep buying as long as we're about 2x the backing price or less. Example at 6 million. Wow, that's so long, sir. What else are you in? How can I see the AMA? I do videos on these AMAs at what Seafood mentioned, so check them out. All these time update videos, it go over them. Okay, let's go to the next comment. Thank you for the updates. Some put the pressure off. I hope you guys are feeling better. GG is not a scam. Well, I think Galaxy Goggle is a scam. They're going to zero. I have one question. I want to get away from the hype and into some simple math. Where does Wonderland make its money, other than from the people buying time? Yes, I am invested in time and very helpful, but I am yet to find anyone who has presented me with the simple math. Does Wonderland generate any revenue other than people who are buying the time token? This is a big farmer utility. I understand they are planning to do some gaming stuff, but this is all talk right now. Look at the latest Daniel AMA and his explanation of financial relation between Wonderland, Popsicle, Sushi, and Abracadabra. The Treasury itself has investment in staking and lending in LPs that are generating revenue for their Treasury and the rebases. See the Twitter feed for the latest investment. Yeah, I actually went over a lot of videos about how time is actually making money. So please check out that video. It's on my channel, Ronnie, and you can check it out. You will learn about what exactly are they doing with your money in order to make the returns to pay you out. So it's not like they take your money and do nothing with them. They use our fund to reinvest in things. All right. I'm with you all the way. Holding. Do you think Elon saying I'm something on Twitter is in response to Dorsey is a reference to MIM? Yeah, so Elon saying M something. I hope he says this means magic internet money. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, that's all the time I have for this week's episode. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will pick winners if you comment on my video, and I'll answer all of your comments live on video every week. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. I want to get to 10,000 subscribers, and I hope to see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys.